Welcome to this video that will show you how to retrieve your username and reset your password on the SARS MobiApp. If you forgot both your username and password, then you must first retrieve your username before you can reset your password. Open the SARS MobiApp. Read the terms and conditions, and if you agree, tap Yes, I accept. Then tap Login at the bottom right of your screen. Tap Forgot Username. Now capture all mandatory information. A tax reference number is not mandatory but will assist SARS in identifying the specific username you are trying to retrieve. Tap Continue. Now select your preferred channel of communication with SARS in order to receive a one-time PIN OTP. An OTP will be sent to the contact details which match your information that SARS has on record. Tap Send OTP. Enter only the last 6 digits of the OTP. Take note of the time remaining for you to enter the correct OTP. Tap Submit. Your username will be displayed on screen. You may now also reset your password if you need to. If you do not want to change your password, you can enter your existing password. Tap Submit. A message will indicate that your password has been successfully changed because you have already been given your username. Tap OK and you'll be taken back to the login screen. If you only want to reset your password, tap Forgot Password. Enter your username and tap Next. Select your preferred channel of communication with SARS so that you can receive an OTP from SARS. Tap Send OTP. Enter the last 6 digits of the OTP and tap Submit. You can now enter a new password. Tap Submit. A message will show that your password has been successfully changed. Tap OK and you will be taken back to the login page. Thank you for using the SARS MobiApp. SARS at your service.